Hello and welcome back to the SCM joining machines video series. Today I will introduce you some new features and devices that we developed to help you to improve your experience while using SCM joining machines, and to give you the opportunity to do your job in a better way, faster way and with more accuracy, and also to do some processing that you were not able to do before but that were very hard for the calculation part and also for the execution. The first big news regards all the sliding table saws and the spindle molders of the Invincibile and Class line. It is the new control panel. What does it has better than the previous version? First thing you will notice is the look, modern, clean, beautiful. But there is much more than the look. It has an improved human-machine interface, easier and more intuitive. It has a sequencing function for the work programs, which can also regard complex geometries to be performed with tilting blade. The control panel guides you step by step to perform complex CAD. You don't need an experienced operator. The software will do all the math for you and simply tell you just the CAD to do. You can use a SCM Thundercat app to directly import on the machine all the quotes you created with the app. You don't need to digit those quotes on the control panel, but you can send them to the machine from Thundercat app via control panel. The digital block note, you have the opportunity to create your work sequences. Just click one button and the control panel will start to register all the operation and setting you will do after that click. Then you will have the possibility to recall this program whenever you want. Network connection. I can put in communication the work programs loaded on a machine with all the other machines belonging to the same network. And also the tools. This is essential to always have the machine settings ready for use and to monitor the hours of use of the tools. Another very important advantage of the network connection is the possibility to have the remote assistance that give you a huge advantage in terms of reduction of downtime. The second part regards mechanical devices as the wall unit. That now is free with respect to suspended protection, as increased rigidity of the structure and an optional lamp to illuminate the work area for circular saws and spindle motors. Everything with a cleaner design that eliminates exposed cables. Another mechanical improvement is the new suspended protection. Vertical sliding of the protection hood through cage ball guide. Wheels on protection hood to facilitate the overriding of the workpieces. Improved suction capacity. Cutting line laser projector. The new motorized parallel fence has a structure that is perfectly aligned with the main plan, and now the maximum stroke reaches 1,600 mm. Speaking about the working plan, we have reinforced add-on tops, perfectly aligned with the main plan, highly wear-resistant surface and increased load capacity, ideal for processing heavy panels. It's now time to speak of the squaring fence. We have two types, standard or digital. The standard squaring fence, we have now very high quality and clarity lenses plus LED to facilitate the reading of the quotas. Possibility of reading quota even without lens. Improves smoothness and rigidity of locking. For digital squaring fence, we improve the ease of positioning and precision of fine adjustment. Now there is a more modern design of the digital display, smaller dimensions, metal or metal colored cover. High battery life, autonomy of at least 6 months. And in the end, we have the new complex squaring frame, pretty famous among SCM machines and now completely new, with rubberized roller on extensible support, already available for class circular saws with optional quick lock squaring fence. Improved rigidity of the ruler when positioned at 90 degrees. More rigid locking system. Well, these are all the new features we developed in this last year to improve your work and offer to SCM customers an improved experience in using joinery machines. For any request or information, feel free to contact us via Facebook at our page SCM Joinery Machines or visit our website scmwood.com. Thanks for your kind attention and I will see you in the next video.